In this video, I'm going to show you 5 best ways to automate your business using Gmail. So here we have taken the example how to automate your business with Google Forms, Google Docs, Google Sheets and Gmail. So let's say that every time a new form is submitted through Google Forms, you have received some new data. So you want to create an invoice in Google Docs, and then you want to share that PDF file through Google Drive, and finally you want to send an email. So here you can see that automatically right from the form submission to sending an email, the entire process has been automated. How? We have integrated all these applications using Pabbly Connect software. Let's see another example. How to mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. So let's say that you have got certain data in your Google Sheets. So you have got the data of your customers, let's say it is birthdays or anniversaries or any other information. Now what you want is integrate the two applications so that automatically you can schedule it for different days, for different occasions. So every time a new row is added, automatically with the details that are there in the Google Sheet, a mail would be sent to the person reminding him or congratulating the person, or maybe just sharing the details of your business. So this process is extremely easy, and at the same time it is so helpful because it is going to save a lot of time, and also it is going to give that personalized touch to your customers. Next we have how can you share Facebook leads to multiple Gmail accounts. So let's say that you're using Facebook lead ads, and here every time you receive a new lead, you want to send mails to the person, basically the new lead. At the same time you want to send a mail to your team or your marketing team and your sales team. So you want different people to be aware about this lead. Also at the same time you want to inform your new lead about your business. So you are sending multiple mails. How can that be done? Again, you are integrating the two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect software, and the same thing is going to help you a lot. Another example that we have here is how to auto-generate content via OpenAI and share on Gmail with team. So OpenAI is one of the most renowned applications these days, which is an artificial intelligence and deployment company that helps you in generating content. So what you are doing is, suppose you want to write a blog, or you want to write an article, or you just want to reply to comments, and you want that all these things should be notified to your team through Gmail. So how can you do that? So as soon as you pick blog title from sheet, you are generating the content, and then you are sending this blog on Gmail to your team. So what you're doing, you are integrating the three applications, and this entire process will be automated. So the moment there is a new row added over here, automatically a mail would be sent to your team along with the content. And the last example that we have here is how to connect Gmail to MS Excel and create backup for your emails. So here we have our Gmail as a trigger application. So every time a new email is received, so the information of this email would be saved in your Excel sheet. Here you can choose any other spreadsheet as well. So let's say you are using Google Sheet or Airtable. So what you're doing is, you do not have to extract your email, and you do not have to read it out and write it manually. This is again automated. How? Integrate the two applications and your thing is done. So these are the 5 best ways where you can use Gmail to automate your business process. I hope this was helpful to you. So I'm going to come up with lots of these automations, and all these integrations that I have talked about here, you would be able to find them in the description box. You can check them out, try them, and if in case you have any issue, you can always write to us. So we are happy to help. I'm going to see you soon with more automations. Take care of yourself. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.